Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. We began by folding a white chart before adding a red and black foaming sheet and any other colors you like. On the sheet create a circles, then cut out all the circles. Cut out all the lines. On a white chart that has been folded, draw green side lines, paste all the components. Paste over all materials on it. Place all of the red circles, followed by the black circles on the green lines. We may cut or paste leaves and paste all these leaves on it. Create some grass on it now. Our card is ready. Looks amazing, fantastic.